Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new, my name is Arina and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to review these two powders right here, Pinkflash loose powders. Some of you requested for me to do a review on them, so this is the video. Hope this video will be helpful for you. So I already have my cream products on, which is the foundation and also the concealer. I'm now going to set my face, and this is how the packaging looks like. And they looked different because this one is the translucent powder, the white powder, and this one is the tinted one. This is the shade 000 and this is the shade 111. The universal powder, you can use it all over the face and also the under eyes without it leaving any tint, whereas the tinted one does gives you a little bit of coverage but not like a medium coverage or whatever. It just gives you some tint and a tiny bit of coverage. So I am going to use the shade 000, which is the translucent one, under my eyes and maybe like highlight the center of my face or something like that. And I'm going to use this shade 111 all over my face because I do have foundation that doesn't match my skin tone, which is like maybe 2 to 3 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. So I do hope that this powder will fix this. And I am currently doing a foundation test or foundation first impression. Okay, I'm going to use the translucent one under the eyes. I have used this powder a few times and I have my first impression kind of thoughts. Just I'm gonna focus this translucent shade under the eyes and also at the center of my face. I like this puff because it's not too dense and it's flexible. You can pinch it and the size is not too big, just the nice size. I'm not gonna bake or anything like that. I'm just going to set the cream products that I have on. Because this one is translucent, it won't alter the shade of your foundation. Okay, then I'm going to move on to the tinted one, which is the shade 111. I prefer this packaging because it looks cute. It looks different from my other loose powder that I have, because this one is an opaque top, but this one is like all translucent from the cap to the top. It's not a big deal, but I just want to point it out. On the rest of my face, I'm going to set it with the tinted one, which is the shade 111. And they only have 3 shades in total. The other one was not that dark, but yeah, I just went for the shade 111. This one just has a yellow tint. Hopefully it fixes this foundation shade because I do look ghostly in real life with this foundation shade. I think the easiest way to get the product from the top is to tapping it onto the cap itself. This is how it's looking so far. It didn't adjust the coverage that much because this powder doesn't have that many coverage. It just have a tint to it. After I started with the loose powder, it does take away the dewiness and no shine at all. It's pretty much looking matte right now. And now I am going to finish up my makeup off camera. I'm going to list everything that I use in the description box. If you are curious, I will be back. And so far, I really love how it looks like on my skin. I do have combination skin, oily T-zone and dry outer perimeters, and it does mattifies the foundation I have on, because before this the foundation is not a matte finish. It is like a, I wouldn't say it's a dewy, maybe it's like a satin finish, and it does mattifies it and get rid of any shininess that I have going on my face. And maybe I will update you guys in the description box how it wears, because I don't know if I'm going to do any wear test, but I will include a photo right here where I do a flash test and we will test it whether it has a flashback or not. So as you can see from the photo, I don't have any flashbacks at all, which is great because these are super affordable powder that you can get from Shopee Mall. I will link everything in the description box if you're interested to have them. And I will also compare this with the Match Max loose powder from Focalor. The texture of the Focalor loose powder feels a bit smooth than this one, but both works at setting the face and also eliminate any shininess. And also you get less amount of product from this one because this is a smaller tub, and also the price is a lot cheaper. I did try to swatch it at the back of my hand. I don't think you'll be able to see the shade swatch. Let me just try it again. So this is the shade translucent, so yeah, you can't really see the shade, so I don't know how helpful this will be. And this is the shade 111. So this is translucent and this is 111. Basically, these two shades just disappear on my skin tone because it does blends with my skin tone. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because I do a lot of makeup tutorial reviews and hauls. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.